Okay, so today is one of our multimedia days, and things have gotten behind for me in terms of, working 8.5 hours a day, and I really haven't had time to make up a new multimedia for today. So I thought what I would do is illustrate Super Mario World, which I've never played before. You might find that hard to believe, since those of you that know me know I'm such a Nintendo nut, a Mario nut specifically. But this was just the one system that I skipped over, which was the Super NES. So now that I have my Wii, I got some Wii points, I downloaded the Super Mario World, and I was going to illustrate to you one of these worlds that I never played. And what I'm going to have to do for you right now is try and play this one-handed, because I'm holding the camera with the other hand. So this should be extremely lame, but let's see what I can do with just my mouth and my thumb. And this is the Cheese Bridge area. Enjoy. What the fuck is that? Ah! Okay, so there's some kind of a razor thing. Alright, let's give this another shot. Remember, this is with my mouth and my thumb. Ah! I don't understand why these razors are coming out to kill me. Alright, we've got one more life. And then that'll be the end of today's multimedia event. Alright. Let's see if we make it through. Okay, a little more progress this time. There's some coin I'm going to let him go. Alright, well, hope you enjoyed it. There's our game over. One-handed Super Mario World. First time ever on that level, first time ever on this game. Read the Manuscripts Burn blog. We'll have a better multimedia event on Saturday. And enjoy.